We just got a Samsung Galaxy SM-T580. This is the Tab A 10.1 inch, and it came in for a charging port replacement. The big boss already took the motherboard out of the tablet, and we're gonna go ahead and change the charging port on this tablet. We've done a lot of those repairs on our YouTube channel, but in this video I want to take the time to demonstrate how to find that port using the 500 port box that we are currently selling on our website. Now, as you know, the 500 port box is made out of 100 compartments, and each compartment has 5 ports. So we have a total of 100 models, 5 each. That's 500 ports. How would we go about locating a port for that tablet? Let's say I did not know what that tablet is. I want to locate a port based on the shape of that charging port. We took a picture of every single port inside that box, and you can find the pictures by going to the community section of our YouTube channel or on our website. So if you log into our YouTube channel, go to the community section, and then we have a post here. The link is right here. And now we're gonna try to locate that port by just looking at the photos. Let's take a look at the port first to see how it looks like. Looking at the port, I know it's made out of 7 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has a notch in the middle. It has 4 legs, and I do not see a lip in the front. It's just a straight line. If we tilt it a bit, we see that we have 2 angled things in here. So we're gonna locate the port based on the shape of this charging port here. Let's go back to the photos. Okay, this one here is not it. Why? Because this one has a lip in the front and it's made out of 5 pins. So we want to quickly look at ports that has 7 pins, like this one here. It has 7 pins, but obviously this one does not look the same. So you can speed up the process by just skipping through the ones that has lips, like this one here. Ours does not have this. And remember, ours has a notch in the middle here. So let's look at the ports that have a notch in the middle. So we can quickly go down like this. None of those have that notch in the middle. And it looks like this one here. It has a notch in the middle, 7 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 legs, and no lip in the front. That's it. Port number is 35. We go back to the box and we look at compartment number 35. Now the box has 144 compartments. We are only using 100 compartment. The rest of the compartments we're gonna fill out later as we get more ports. But for now, we're gonna look at compartment number 35. 35 is right here. Let's grab a port and see if it matches. Seven pins, exactly the same port, no lip in the front, 4 legs, that's it. So we were able to locate that port within a minute. We did not have to order that port off eBay or any other site. We did not have to make the customer wait for that port. All we did was look at the pictures, locate the port based on the shape, and we're gonna change the port. Now, previously when we started making this box, I mentioned that we're gonna have an Excel sheet that lists which port fixes which device, but I think we're gonna skip on the Excel sheet. It's a lot easier looking at the photos than looking at the Excel sheet. And as you can see, it only took a minute to find that port. So let's go ahead and replace that port. Apply some flux. The box has 500 ports, and the box is being sold for $190. The $190 includes 500 ports, it includes the box, and it includes free shipping. So what we're gonna do is $190 divided by 500. So it comes out to 38 cents a port. 38 cents. You're not gonna be able to get this port at that price from eBay, from Amazon, or any site online. You're getting the port for 38 cents, and it includes the box, and it includes free shipping. It's a deal that you cannot beat. Free shipping is only within the US. It's $25 flat rate for international shipping. What we're gonna do is use low melt solder so we can lower the melting temperature of the joints here. That way we can easily remove that port. Low melt solder sticks are also sold on our website. It's $5 a stick, and the stick will honestly last you about maybe 20 devices. It depends how much low melt solder you use. So I just used a little bit of low melt. I just want to soak those pins with this low melt solder. Flip the board, and let's do the back here. We have a big shipment of Flux coming in, so you can purchase Flux on our website. The Flux that we will be selling is the latest one from Amtech, the freshest and the latest. We're going to use a little bit of heat to remove that connector. Look at this. Low melt solder is still soft. That's what's nice about low melt. It stays soft for about maybe 10 seconds. Okay, let's test. And yes, right there. Tablet is now charging. Right there. The meter is now reading 0.67 amps. So the tablet is being charged. Tablet is working, it's charging, and everything is good. So we're gonna call the customer to come and pick up. It was dropped in this morning. Customer found us on YouTube, and he lives in Van Nuys, about 15 minutes away. He came in and I told him it would be ready later today. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.